Hi there. If you're here, you're probably thinking about buying a home in Mexico or the Dominican Republic, and you want to do it the right way. Let's be honest, it can get overwhelming understanding the process of purchasing in another country. Do you even own the land or the property? What's your property taxes? What income rental will you get? Or can you even make money? Is it safe or is it profitable? These are questions that you probably ask yourself over and over again. And are you willing to take that level of risk? That's exactly why we put together this free live webinar. In this one session, we'll walk you through how to buy legally in Mexico or the DR. What will the actual cost be? How to maximize your profits, and even how to transfer money and set up a local bank account are things we're going to go over. It's not a theory. We're experts. We're real estate agents that have been doing this in the Dominican Republic for the last 5 to 6 years. We've helped over 1,000 people with this through this experience. And being here